Soursop, also known as graviola, guanabana, or annona muricata, is a tropical fruit with a distinctive flavor that is both sweet and tangy. In the Philippines, it is known as Guyabano. It is highly regarded for its potential health benefits, which are supported by its rich nutrient profile. 1. Rich in nutrients. Soursop is a good source of vitamin C, B vitamins like B1, B2, B6, and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron. It contains dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain regular bowel movements. 2. High in antioxidants, fights free radicals. Soursop is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, tannins, flavonoids, and alkaloids, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The antioxidants can also help slow down the aging process by protecting cells from damage. 3. Potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that soursop extract has cytotoxic properties, meaning it can kill certain types of cancer cells in lab settings. Compounds like acetogenins are thought to contribute to this effect. While more research is needed, there is interest in soursop as a potential natural therapy for preventing or treating certain types of cancer. 4. Supports digestive health. The fiber content in soursop helps promote regular bowel movements, preventing constipation. Soothes the digestive tract. Traditional medicine often uses soursop to relieve symptoms of indigestion and gastritis. 5. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin C content in soursop strengthens the immune system by promoting the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Some studies suggest that soursop has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, which may help the body combat infections. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Soursop contains compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation, potentially helping with conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. 7. Supports heart health. Soursop is traditionally used to help lower blood pressure due to its potassium content, which helps relax blood vessels and reduce strain on the cardiovascular system. Improves cholesterol levels. Some research suggests that soursop may help lower bad cholesterol, LDL levels, and increase good cholesterol, HDL levels, promoting overall heart health. 8. Aids in weight management. Soursop is relatively low in calories while providing essential nutrients, making it a good choice for those looking to manage their weight. Promotes satiety. The fiber in soursop can help you feel full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. 9. Improves skin health. Anti-aging effects. The antioxidants in soursop can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a more youthful complexion. Treats skin ailments. Traditionally, soursop leaves have been used topically to treat skin conditions such as eczema and acne. 10. Enhances mood and reduces stress. Calming effects. Soursop is used in traditional medicine to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. Some studies suggest it may have mild sedative properties, helping to ease stress and improve sleep. 11. May help manage diabetes. Preliminary studies indicate that soursop might help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for people with diabetes. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects. While soursop offers many potential health benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation and consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant, as some compounds in soursop may have strong effects. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more health vibes.